Hello class, I'm going to do 3 examples of simplifying expressions using order of operations or PEMDAS. So for example number 1, I see that I have no grouping symbols or parentheses, so I'm going to move on to my exponents. So 4 to the second power is 16. I'm going to bring down my negative sign, and then I have an addition, division, and multiplication signs left. Following PEMDAS, I need to do division next. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. I'm going to bring down the signs for the rest of my problem. I am left with addition and multiplication. Well, multiplication comes first according to PEMDAS. So 8 times 2 is 16. I'm going to bring down the rest of my problem. So I get a negative 16 plus 16. This is as if you owed someone $16 and then you paid them back 16. So you would owe them 0. Example number 2. Here I do have a parenthesis, so I'm going to want to do that first. So here 3 times 6 is 18. I'm going to rewrite the rest of my problem and see what I need to do next. Well, I notice that there's an exponent here, so I definitely want to complete that. So I get 2 plus 18 over 2 squared, or 2 to the second power, which is 4. Now I want to complete everything on top of my fraction sign. So 2 plus 18 is 20. Divided by 4. This is an improper fraction, so you can think of this as how many times can 4 go into 20? And it can do that 5 whole times. Example number 3. Here I have 2 sets of grouping symbols. This really you just want to work your way in and then go towards the outside grouping symbol. So 12 divided by a negative 2 is a negative 6. I'm going to leave my grouping symbols here because I need to bring down my negative sign. And this lets me have a good space in between my 2 negatives, which can remind me that 2 negatives equal a positive. So I need to bring down my 5, copy that, and then change my 2 negatives. So I get 5 plus 6 equals 11.